Hello everyone, welcome back to ECU Team channel, and today we are fixing a 1998 Chevy Corvette 5.7 liter V8. So first things first, we use diagnostics report, and in order to do that, we got a diagnostic tool designed for Chevy Corvette to pinpoint and resolve any internal faults accurately, ensuring no issue is left unattended. Our team of seasoned engineers specializes in diagnosing and repairing the PCM internal faults in these Chevy Corvettes. Now, as we know, it's a pretty common problem when the PCM fails and it gives you an internal fault. So we've got the knowledge and skills to bring your car back to life. So let us show you the fault that this PCM got, which is the original PCM from the vet. As you can see, not really in the best shape, but as long as it works, right? There you go. As you can see, we got a bunch of codes here, but the main one is P0606, which means that ECM PCM processor failed. And right now, it's time to do quality repairs. Our meticulous approach ensures that your PCM is repaired with high quality components and craftsmanship, eliminating internal faults forever. So let's do it. While the computer is being repaired, I want to let you know that our certified engineers are also Corvette enthusiasts who understand the importance of your car. So that means that your vet will receive the care that it deserves. As you can see, the code P0606 is gone. So now let's put this module into the car and we'll see if it's going to start it or not. Rest easy knowing that our PCM repair solutions also prioritize safeguarding your vehicle against potential vulnerabilities. It's time to reclaim your Corvette's performance and relish every drive like it's your first. Say goodbye to internal fault failures with our trusted PCM repair solutions.